Welcome back, everybody. My name is Joe. This is Work Hard RC, and today we're going to be taking a look at the brand new wheels from Little Guy Racing Parts. These are the licensed Innov8 Racing in raw aluminum and in black. We have two trucks we're going to install these on. Let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so we ordered these wheels directly from Little Guy Racing Parts. They came in really quick. We are a member of their Little Guy Racing Parts team, so you pay monthly and you get all of the new items 24 hours in advance, so you get first pick. So these came pretty much next day once I ordered them. And I went ahead and got both sets. Now, I probably was just going to get the one set in the silver. When I first saw them release, I saw the silver ones first, and I thought, oh great, we'll get the raw. And I would put those on my blue truck. But then I saw the black ones, and I thought those would go just perfectly on our black build. So I'll show you both of the builds we're going to be installing these in, and I'll show you the tires that we're going to be putting them on. So very nice packaging, Innov8 Racing USA. These are licensed. I believe this company is located in Southern California, so they are local to me as far as the company that makes the actual wheels, and then these are replicas of the wheels. Now, when I first, again, viewed these on the website and on their Instagram, I did notice that some of the machining marks look very deep, but now looking at these a bit closer, you can see that all that machining there is very clean, very nice, especially on the raw aluminum where you can see all the lines because it is raw. Very clean, very nice machining. I do appreciate all of the detail work that goes into pretty much any RC vehicle, any part, but especially these wheels here. You can see look very clean. Now I'm excited to put these onto my blue build here. You'll see that one here with the white wheels. Now, because this runs the Spider 9s, you know that those have the calipers visible. You can't really see them through these wheels here, but with these you might be able to see them a little bit better. So we're going to install these onto this truck here. Now this currently is wearing the Black Label tires, and we are going to switch up the tires on both wheels. I believe on this one, on the black one, we're going to go and put the claw hammer, and on these I'm going to go ahead and try out the Trench Kings. I haven't tried these wheels yet, but we're going to throw these on the raw aluminum, and then we're going to throw the ones that we have experience with, which are the claw hammers, onto the all black. And then these will be going on our build here. So this one we did black and red. We have a video of us painting this. If you guys want to check that out, I'll put it above. But we'll be putting the black wheels on this so that we have this all blacked out. So let's go ahead and throw the tires on the wheels, get those all situated. We'll install them, and we'll take a look. Alright, so for this install, you are going to use the 0.05 tool here. I use all of the MIP tools here, so you'll be able to see that as far as the installation, and that is the 0.05 tool you'll be needing to screw in all of the screws on the bead locks. So I'm going to go ahead and start this now. We'll install these wheels. Now these are weighted pretty decently. I don't remember the exact weight. I'll have to put that in the description, but they seem a little bit heavier than the other wheels I have. So I do appreciate that, and I want to say it's because of this ring here. I'm not sure if they put anything different into it, but again, just by the feel of it, it's a little bit heavier, and you see the nice Innov8 logo they have on that ring there. So I do like that. Very nice detail. Now we won't see this, but it is a nice detail they have that there. So again, looking at that machining, very nice machining there. I do like that front and back, and the black looks very nicely coated, very nicely coated all the way around. Even we do have that pre-drilled spot there for all of the venting, and then we have the other side here. Again, you look at that machining, very nicely done, very nicely coated with the Innov8 emblem there on the side. Let's go ahead and put our wheels on. Again, on this particular set of tires, on this particular set of wheels, we're going to be putting the claw hammer. Now, I am familiar with these. We have these on another build. I do like these very much, and since I'm probably going to be taking the black build out with the black tires more often, I'm going to go ahead and throw these on there since I know that they work very well for my purposes. Now, I currently just run it with the foam that it comes with. I'll eventually change that out and let you guys know what I put on it, but for now, we're just going to run it with the foams that it has, and we'll go and get those put on. Alright, so we have everything from our tires and wheels put together. Again, these are bead locks. I do have a video on how to install these should you guys have any questions, but they're pretty straightforward. These do have a 0 offset, so they should work very well with the vehicles we're going to put them on. Now we're going to go ahead and start with the easier of the two. We're going to put these black wheels on our black truck here, so let's go ahead and get started on that. But just real quick, if you guys are doing this and you guys have your wheels, just remember that the claw hammers, these are not directional, but if you guys are going to put in the Trench Kings, these are directional. So just keep that in mind as you guys are going along, that the tires, should you want to keep them in the proper direction, they are directional. So keep that in mind as you're putting them together, that you'll want to make sure that they're on correctly, so that when you're putting them on the truck, they're facing the correct direction. So we'll put those on after, but let's go ahead and throw these on real quick. Alright, so we have the wheels installed, and I have to say they look great. Now I'll probably be taking this nut and changing it to a black one so it's all blacked out. I will be attending the Little Guy Racing Parts swap meet and open house at the end of July, which is July 26th, so I'll probably pick up some parts there. Also, just as a side note, if you guys are attending that event, I will be hosting the Show and Shine. So if you guys want to come out and participate in the Show and Shine, bring out your RC cars. They don't have to be show cars, show crawlers, or whatever. So bring them out, enter it. It's going to be all for fun, and we will have some really cool prizes. We're going to be giving away a set of the Innov8 in the raw, the black, also an R-Factor body. And for the best of show, we'll be giving away a set of the Spider 9 axle. So just keep that in mind if you guys are attending July 26, 2025, the Little Guy Racing Part swap meet and open house. We will be hosting the Show and Shine, so just keep that in mind. But anyways, these wheels look great on this truck. Really completes the look. Again, when I saw these, and my first thought was to put them on this truck. So very nicely done there. I'll do some other pans of the wheels, but the Innov8 wheels here look really great, really true to the real ones as far as the look. I do appreciate the realism of those wheels there. So great on the black. Let's go ahead and install the other ones so that we can take a look how it looks with the Spider 9 calipers sticking out of the spokes there. So for this one, as you guys already know, you'll be using your adapter to take off the nuts for the wheels. If you guys have the Spider 9 axles and you guys use the nuts that they come with. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this one here and take that off. And I do run a O-ring there on these, tends to work well for me. But again, you see how those calipers are nicely visible there. So keeping in mind these are directional, so we're going to want that facing forward. I'm going to go ahead and throw this on, and we should be able to see that blue peeking through, and we do. You can kind of get a good look there. Very, very nice. Gave me exactly the look that I wanted. And with this blue nut, it should really set it all off and make it look nice together. So there's one. Let's go ahead and get them all installed. Alright, so the wheels are installed and they look beautiful. I really like the look with the silver, the raw aluminum, caliper poking out there with the blue. Everything looks great. Now I do like these a little bit better than the white. Again, now white ones do look nice, I give them that, but these are running the black label, and I haven't had a chance to really test out the Trench Kings yet. I've had some other wheels that I've been testing out, so this is the first time I've had these tires on any of my my trucks, and they do really give it an aggressive look. And looking from the tread pad, it looks like they should do well on the course. So just taking a look at the Innov8 wheels and appreciating those. I do really like how they look. That blue and the silver really, really look nice. And again, we do have both sets, so looking at both of them together, Very nicely done. Really love the machining. How true they look to the real ones. And again, if you guys are going to be in attendance at the swap meet and open house at the end of July in 2025, we'll be doing a show and shine, and you'll have the opportunity to basically win this exact setup as far as the wheels and tires. And then as we turn over to this one, we'll be giving away basically this entire setup here. And then if you win Best of Show, you'll be getting a set of the Spider 9. So I haven't done a video on the Spider 9s, and though there are some other videos out there. But if you guys want to see any videos of anything that I have on these trucks, let me know, and I'll try to do those videos for you guys. But overall, the Innov8 wheels do look great. So can't wait to take these out and get them on the course. I'll do some other videos and post those here at the end, just focusing on the wheels. But these are, I believe, $44.99 on the website, and on occasion they do run some sales. But great, great looking wheel. Not to say all their others aren't great looking wheels. The Ghost wheels are also great. But these right here for now are my new favorite on these trucks. Again, you can see the calipers through the spokes there. Very, very nice. So I do thank you guys for watching. If you guys can, remember to please subscribe and like any of our videos. And again, comment if you guys want to see anything in the future, or if you have any questions on these builds. These two builds in particular I've covered quite a bit. This one I've done a video on how to paint the body and an entire build of the chassis, and I have that all priced out on another video. This one I've done a video on, I can't remember what I've done a video on. I'm not sure if I've done a video on this one, but essentially they're the same, just different internals, and I have the Spider 9s on these. So again, thank you guys for watching. I do appreciate it. These Innov8 wheels are great looking wheels. We'll see you guys next time.